Welcome to yet another unboxing video here on my channel. This is Andy in Singapore. For today's video, we are going to unbox the Tissot right in front of me. I think this is the first Tissot I've ever unboxed on my channel. And this watch is fresh from our boutique, alright? It's my own purchase. We've got the outer cardboard box and the main, I don't know, this is a cardboard box I think. And here it is, the watch in question today. Ta-da! So we've got the PRX 35mm in mint green dial. So these days every watch has to be mint green, powder blue, baby blue dial. And this one here is no different, alright? This is the trend. So I've got this viewer the other day commenting on the trend for mint dials, Tiffany dials going out. I don't think so. Right? I think the trend is still ongoing, although I do expect this trend to go away soon. Right? So within this year, I think the mint green Tiffany dial craze should be over. And now with all the packaging out of the way, we'll take a closer look at the PRX 35mm mint dial version. This is some sort of a linen looking mint green. There's a bit of sheen to it, but there's no sunburst. Okay, so under this lighting, you're seeing there's a lot of shine and sheen going on. I think it's because of the light condition. Alright, so the brightness here could be overbearing, overwhelming, but it is more or less a flat dial and it's textured. This is a quartz movement. Does this watch come with a screw-in crown? I have no idea. Let me just check. Alright, so there's no screw-in crown. Okay. I've handled PRX before, but not too sure if there's a screw-in crown. So let's do a quick check on the handset alignment. 4 o'clock. Okay, fine, perfect. And this is a 6 o'clock hand alignment, so I would say in terms of hand alignment, no issues at all. Looks very good. Crown action is actually really nice, alright, feels very solid. And of course, the magic about the PRX 35 is that it is not overly big, because for the PRX 40, there were many owners or users saying that for this style of case, where it is totally straight and you've got integrated bracelet, so if the case is bigger than 38, it may look too big and too flat on some wrist sizes. Alright, so let me just quickly put on for a fake wrist shot. Great. So as you can see, it fits really well and there is no lug overhang or lug gaps. Alright, so I would say it is definitely the 35mm for me. Alright, so it does feel a little bit smaller than what I would like to have. I think 37 should be the perfect size for this watch. Alright, but as it is, if I were to choose between 35 and 40, definitely my vote will go to the 35. So of course the PRX model, it was relaunched or reissued during 2020 and obviously was sold out everywhere. People were paying some sort of premium over it. And I think 2 years later, the 35 came out. Sometime in 2021 or 22, I think. The 35mm version came out, to cater for fans out there who prefer a smaller size with the same watch styling. Really good looking style here. Right, PRX series, runaway success for Tissot watches. We've got this flat link bracelet. Alright, with the right amount of light play and all that, it looks really good. So this look has become sort of synonymous with Tissot, right? So many fans out there, they were worried that Tissot is fast becoming a one model brand, just like Black Bay and the Royal Oaks and all that. Okay, so do comment in the section below if you feel that Tissot is indeed becoming a one model brand, but I can tell you right now I'm very, very happy with this purchase, alright. I bought this one from our boutique, of course, from my good friend Eric. So, liking this brushing here on the flat link bracelet. Not the best, I have to admit. In terms of refinement, okay, the brushing here is of course not the most refined, but I think for the price and it's a Swiss made watch and all that, I think not a problem, alright. Very decent build quality for the price that the watch is going for. Other niceties include this nicely signed crown, alright, signed with a Tissot T logo, and we've also got this butterfly clasp here. Again, I'm not a big fan of such things because I think a flip over one-sided clasp probably works better for me, but I do believe that the butterfly clasp here would sort of make it look more sleek. Alright, so you can't really fault the design team for putting up such a design. So stay tuned for the full review and some other comparison videos for the Tissot PRX 35. Really interesting looking dial color. I'll see you next week for the full review. Bye.